based in the UK. I've been security testing for 3 years out of the 15 or 16 I've been testing. It's a really challenging way of doing testing because you have to learn how to expose weaknesses and vulnerabilities in applications that you might not necessarily always think about, and you often have to put on a different hat when you're doing that style of testing. And I found in the last 3 years that there are a lot of great resources for people to learn how to do security testing. One of the ones that have helped me learn is Troy Hunt's material that he puts in his blog and his website, Hack Yourself First, which is basically a site that allows you to learn about security testing. But earlier in the year, when I was at I'm going to name drop here, at a conference with Fiona in Romania, hello Fiona, I met a lady called Francie Schauerine, and she put me in touch with a guy called David Hetanian's a Frenchman, and he's a Java developer at Coderance in London, and he helped me build this website here called Ticket Magpie. It's written in Java. It has a nice database backend. You can run it in Docker, which means you don't need to install anything else other than Docker. And you run a command in Docker and it will start in your browser, and you can run it locally, and it's got a whole bunch of vulnerabilities and issues in there which you can go and explore and learn how to do a number of different types of attacks and vulnerability explorations, so such as cross-site scripting, SQL injection, escalation of privilege attacks, all that kind of things, a whole range of different vulnerabilities in there. So I welcome you to go to my GitHub page, or David's GitHub page, where Ticket Magpie is hosted. So it's github.com/dhetanian, HATAITAIAN, /Ticket Magpie, or just Google GitHub Ticket Magpie and you'll find it. Follow the instructions on the page and you can start it in your browser. We welcome any feedback either to myself or David on Twitter, or via the GitHub repo. You can contribute if you want to by helping us by adding functionality, or anything that you feel is helpful. If you want to run workshops in your offices at home, then you feel free to use it as an example of some of the things you want to be looking for. And I'm also hoping to run my own workshops next year after, as things flatten out with work, so I've just started a new job, and so that I can help everybody else build up some of their skills in security testing. So feel free to use it. It's right here. It's there for you to use. Any feedback, please come to me and speak to me anytime you like. So thank you very much for your time.